making a video how to show you how to fix your TFI harness if you're having issues with a no start. So here we'll show you. Turn the Holley system back on. So the TFI module gets loose in the inside of those pin connectors. Mike's gonna tighten them up. So you're gonna pop out that little red, I guess, connector holder. You just kind of bending those tabs down so they make better contact when they plug into the module.
On that first one we figured out, we also took from the back side, went up through the seal.
All right.
We also went on the back side and pushed each one of the connectors up firmly to where it was seated. You feel it when you're hitting the actual metal connector. And if you look, it's silicone. So you're going between the wire and the silicone just to poke the connector up and seat it all the way home. And then you take and you put the holder back in there, plug it back in, and it should fire up.